They were 4 in number. So as soon as they sight us with private vehicle, when we normally use for patrol, they run away, in which him in question was arrested with this kind of iron. During the searching, we recover 4 manhood in that area. And then during the effort to go and see where they are selling it. So that is awesome.
Lawrence Lawala, CSP. I'm CSP Lawrence Lawala, Office Surveillance Wike Division. This gun that you are seeing here, while my vigilantes, they were on stop and search. One bike came with 2 men. While on sighting the police, the vigilante people, they ran away and threw away their bag, and it contains this thing inside. While these drugs that you are seeing here, the suspect is here. We have arrested him. He's the one that is selling it in the villages around that site. So that's what happened. And then this knife that you are seeing also, we have a suspect here that we have arrested him. They are the people that most of the time go in the night and are, let me just say, threaten people and collect their phones. So the suspects are here, and by the grace of God, we are going to charge them to court. Thank you. But most of these people, they will just carry it and then they will be inhaling it, and it will make them intoxicated. So as a result, they will be misbehaving, doing anyhow they can do. After taking it, they can go and act anyhow, they can challenge, they can go and steal, because they are not in their normal sense. So this one, they are selling it to the young boys. As they eat it, they'll go and be committing crimes. And as long as they're using it, they believe that they can escape everything that comes their way. So we arrested the suspect, he put it on himself, thinking that he will escape or whatever, nothing will happen to him. And they threaten people by using it. So we'll see that it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Thank you, sir.
And we recover these 3 TVs, 3 televisions. And one of the television was stolen from National Assembly. And this is the television. And we asked him where did he get the television. He said somebody that brought it for him to buy, and he knows the person, and we're on it now to make sure that we arrest the person. Thank you.
My name is Manuel Sada. I'm 36 years. I'm in National Library, Nadia with the living. I'm from Katsina. Yes, I am showing View Center under new building of PDP Secretariat. The time I did show about 3 plays play at the same time. So the time I started, I get 2 TV where they using, while I supposed to show about 3 matches. So by that time, my Oga Alaji Nura, Nine cell carry this TV, give me, may I do with it. As I start doing work with that TV, it comes spoiled. I go and buy another one. I carry it from Katsina. Now Alaji Nura he give me. From his house carry it give me. No. Now that place where we work, now there in the do business. Which one? No. Hey, and me I don't know. Now he say he get 1 TV. Make he give me. May I start working with it. As I start working with it, it comes spoiled. So that's why I go carry another one and work with it. Now I want 30,000. No. Now one time I give him 100,000 now. But I never complete 30,000 for him, and the thing comes spoiled. Still now, yes. Now you tell it for me 130,000. Me, I don't know now, because all of the TV one I they use, there's no one past 130. These people one I they use. I have already get print station where they show people in Katsina. I'm in Saudi. Yes. Now that I carry all of my TV from that my police station at my village. Now that.
My name is Inspector Ikpe Adoga. Some of these televisions you see here, about 6 of them, were stolen from Dawaki area. there was a video, CCTV footage that was circulated to our office. And when we analyzed the footage, we discovered that these same syndicates are the same people who stormed Dawaki and stole some television 2 years ago. Then they were arrested and handed over to Dawaki division. So when we analyzed this present video, we discovered that they are the same set of people who have committed the same offense. And we went looking for them, and we were able to arrest Hamisu, the receiver of the stolen properties. We traced the main bandits to Kanu State, and he escaped into Niger Republic. We are still hoping that he will come back, and will definitely arrest him and them. Thank you.
My name is Monday Barnabas. They arrested me by Ruga. They now take me to the station. They didn't see with anything. They now arrest me, come to the station. And I come and see this thing. They now snap me with this thing. I don't know from where they take it. That's the truth. But it's not the common man who swear. I know the common man.
There is iron there that he was arrested with it. Those iron, they normally use it to remove the manhunt. They are dead. This is the iron. This is the iron, and the second one, okay.
They dig hole, put this thing, wood inside. Then we cast it. When we cast it, then they will now knock this thing. Because now my brother said, come in, he want to expand this thing, say, he shocked me in Babi Salon. That is why he called me, I should come and expand the Babi Salon. Father, I just around that content. I'm willing to go home from Maraba. Sir? No, now when I finish the work, I will go back home. That no, now in shop I go to do work. Now in Badu.
This is the second one.
This cracking bar. No, this cracking bar. Where for dig, if you dig one now, you put this thing inside. Wood now. Eh? Yes. Oh, no, be digging. Now. Eh?
My name is Sergeant Abdulaziz Kabir from Wuse Solitary Police Station. It happened yesterday around at about 17:00 hours in the evening. A distress call was received by our DPO, CSP Suberu Sani, and immediately he detailed the patrol team to the scene behind NAFDAC headquarters, which is on 7, where one Yahya Musa was caught on the act, cutting the traffic light with this saw blade, and there are other exhibits recovered from them, while 2 other people still at large.
Sunana Yahya. My name is Yahya Musa. I am Bender. I am Bender. No, na the people where they are, all the people go call me. The coins we vote for them. No, carry a seat inside the thing. The security waiting for the man garden. No, only this one. This time. This time. The me is a big before I do this thing, I think it me I do mistake. Because like you know, suppose I do the thing like you then do magic for me. Because sometimes I see people they do this kind of thing. I will pursue them. You know, they carry put inside their garden. They say this is it didn't take for their hand. And then not you don't call direct. The people where don't call me down rough. They say the one give us 10,000. Will be 3. No be like that. You do mistake. No be like that. Sometimes for our work we get the two-way pass like that. And sometimes, but now it don't take away me and over do work. You know, now that one na lucky. If he charge the thing, maybe he get like a contract. I never happy. For this one, why I don't do now. For the next time, anywhere where I see case where they do, I must arrest her. You go arrest her? Because I go call police. Make them come arrest her together with me. I never happy. You know, anything where the thing. This thing, but make them look out for me because
what is the name of the manhunt? Because I'm the security of the. Not be my own keep it. Not be me keep it. Me not security. Yeah. No, I'm working with my own. I don't understand. One. Now only one. And my partner keep it. And I'm working with my Oga, Alajinura. I swear. Yesterday just I see when the police come and check the place where I'm. It's there for central area. I don't know. Not my own buy it. Ba ni ki sai ana ni ina gadi a wurin ne. Ni ina gadi a wurin ne.